Hello, how are you? Welcome to a new installment of your Pharmacy Assistant. On this occasion, we would talk about what it is used for and how it is used. So let's take a look.
In this video, I'm going to explain everything you need to know about Montelukast, a super important medication to control asthma and allergies. Have you ever felt short of breath or had wheezing while breathing? Do allergies bother you with sneezing and a stuffy nose? If so, Montelukast could be the solution you've been looking for, especially if these symptoms are constant and make your day-to-day life difficult. So, how does this medication work? Montelukast works by blocking substances in our body that cause inflammation and make the airways narrow. By blocking them, symptoms are reduced and asthma attacks are prevented. And the dose? It's super important to follow exactly what your doctor tells you. Usually, for adults with asthma, you start with one 10-milligram tablet a day, always at night. For children, the dose is usually 5 milligrams. If it's been prescribed for allergic rhinitis, the dose may vary, so don't forget to check with your doctor. Let's talk about side effects now. The most common ones are headaches, stomach aches, and feeling like you have the flu. In some cases, although it is not that common, more serious effects, such as mood swings or hallucinations, may appear. If you notice anything unusual, contact your doctor as soon as possible. A couple of important precautions. Montelukast is not used to treat a sudden asthma attack. Also, it's important to tell your doctor about any other medications you are taking so that unwanted interaction can be avoided. In short, Montelukast is a very useful tool to control asthma and allergies, but it must be used carefully, and we must be aware of possible side effects. Always follow your doctor's instructions, and if you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Thanks for watching the video. See you next time.
If you've made it this far, let us know in the comments why you're using this medicine.